Can a wrong phone number be the reason you meet your future spouse who lives in a different city than you with absolutely nothing in common? It would be serendipity at its finest to bring you two together. That's how Kanva and Kahani met for the first time. You know how retail stores and food stores ask for your contact details, which they then use to spam you? Well, Kanva found out a very polite solution. He would give the wrong phone number by changing the last digit. So 2 years back, he had visited Pune to meet a client, and at one food joint, he was asked for his contact details. 8980999752, he said. It was actually 751. Anyway, guess who was waiting in the queue? Kahani, a local Pune girl. And she said, "Excuse me, would you please repeat your number?" she said, and Kanva hesitatingly did it. Kahani was confused. But how can that be? That's also my number. There was an awkward pause here. Kanva was embarrassed and amused at this. He imagined all the incidents when he used this tactic. He was once caught by a traffic police and had given the same wrong number. He suppressed a smile. Kahani continued. How could that be unless you are giving the wrong number? Are you from Ahmedabad? She took her phone out and checked the particular message. Are you Kanva? So you have been visiting some Thai spa in Ahmedabad. Fuck you, dude. They have been sending me offers. I have gotten calls multiple times asking for you. Kanva laughed. He checked his Truecaller. Kahani, is it? First of all, the Thai spa was only a one-time thing, okay? Don't judge me. And I'm so sorry, dude. It never crossed my mind that this number might even exist. As a recompensation, he proposed to buy her lunch. The rest is history. They laughed at this then, and they laugh at this now. Serendipity brought them together.